Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Now we are on the another ship with the same action time. So here you can see that this card is activated, but this card is completely short, and this module is also short. As you can see, they have bypassed and kept it. So we have to replace this card L1624, and we have to replace this one module and one module. So this we will be supplying and we will be replacing, and same will be tried out by us team engineers. And stay tuned to see how we do this job. And thank you very much, and directly reporting from the shipyard Yulian, China. And stay tuned to see the second part of this video and how we do it, and we will share with you the job, how the things are there, the troubleshooting, how we came down, then what is the issue with this card. This is the exact thing we are going to do on the ship, and it is a long process job. It is a 2 to 3 days job, and we will do it, and we'll make it in the part 2, and we'll see how it looks. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay tuned and thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe my video. And if you want this kind of a cards, then kindly send your inquiry to the below mentioned addresses and contact. It's 24/7 availability, and it's directly available in the stock.